Hello friends, myself Ram. Today we are going to discuss about parties delegate and how to create and use in ASP.NET. First of all, let's see what is delegate. A delegate in C# is similar to a function pointer in C or C++. Using a delegate allows the programmer to encapsulate a reference to a method inside a delegate object. The delegate object can then be passed to code which can call the reference method without having to know at compile time which method will be invoked. Unlike function pointer in C or C++, delegate are object oriented, type safe and secure. Right? Let's see. Here I have created a simple delegate, public delegate int my delegate, and there is two parameter which is integer and return type is also an integer. I have a simple class math operation, right? And this math operation class have simple methods, that is add, subtract, and more methods multiply and divide, right? Let's discuss the first methods. This is add methods, return type integer, and it has a two integer input parameter, right? Int number 1 and int number 2. Do remember one things. If we create a delegate, the input parameter will be same and return type will be same as a class method can have, right? That's why we created a int return type with two input parameter of this integer type, and that's in the class. In class, add method can have parameter input two input parameters. Let's see the final output. Here is the final output, and now let's see this same with an examples. Here make a simple class math operations, right? And there is four methods: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Now we have created a simple my delegate, which is two parameter int 1 and int num1 and int num2. Inside a class math operation, we have created a delegate which is a return type delegate, and we name the methods point to functions, and we provide a int operation type, right? And here reference the delegate object and check if operation type, we input type operation type equal to 1, then we assign the method to delegate pointer add. If the operation type is equal, we assign the method multiply to pointer, and so on, right? Now let's see the our client UI code. Here we create a simple methods calculate, and we create the object of the class math operation obj math. Okay, we take a input here, the client GUI. int operation type 1 for add, 2 for multiply, 3 for subtract, and 4 for divide. We provide the input, and on the basis of input the calculation will be done through calculate by delegate. Let's see here. We call the simple method calculate on button click, right? We take the input operation type this num1 num2 and result object, and call the pointer and provide the operation type dot invoke the delegate with input parameter num1 and num2, and finally we get the output inside the label result. Okay, let's run and see what the output. Here is our final output. If we provide 1 stand for add, right, and we provide the 8 and 2, we calculate by delegate. 8 plus 2 equal to 10, right? If you provide the input operation type 2, we get 16. If we provide operation type 3, that means subtract 8 minus 2 equal to 6, right? And finally we provide 4 stand for divide. The 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.